I wake up early every morning, the sun just peeking through my window. I prepare my meals for the day, packing my lunch in a small container, and then I turn my attention to my little boy, Pietro. At just 4 years old, he has boundless energy, and I love getting him ready for his day at daycare. After dropping him off, I take the train, riding through 9 stations before finally getting to work. My job involves helping clients all day long, and while it can be exhausting, I find joy in making their days a little brighter. But as the day winds down, I know the routine is just beginning. I make the same journey back, catching the bus and the train to pick up Pietro. When we finally get home, my responsibilities don't end. I have to take care of all his needs: dinner, playtime, and bedtime stories. Only then do I get a moment to myself, and I can finally take a shower and unwind. But before I rest, I hit the books. I'm studying hard for my law degree, determined to provide a better life for both Pietro and me. With everything on my plate, it hasn't always been easy, but I found something that made a world of difference: the wave fortune. Using the wave fortune has truly transformed my studying and helped me manage my time better. I've seen improvements in my focus and memory, allowing me to absorb information more effectively. Despite my busy schedule, I've managed to stay among the top of my class. If you're juggling a hectic life like mine, I encourage you to try the wave fortune. It could be the key to unlocking your potential, just as it was for me. Don't wait. Invest in your future today. You can also unlock and unleash the full power of your brain with the Wave Fortune. Grab your credit card and click the link to buy now on the official website. Special promotional price.